Hi there. Today we're going to see divisibility rules. As you can see, the divisibility rules are for the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, and 10. The hints that I'm going to give you to know what numbers are divisible by each one are the ones that you will have to remember during the year. Divisible by 2, it's when the number ends in 0, 2, 4, 6, etc., and an even number. Divisible by 3, you have to add the digits. In this case, 462. If you add 4 and 6 plus 2, it's 12. 12 is divisible by 3. So 462 is divisible by 3. Divisible by 4, 12,624. That number is divisible by 24 because it ends in 24. Divisible by 5, all the numbers that end in 0 and 5. Divisible by 6, when a number is divisible by 2 and 3 at the same time. Example, 9,042. It is a number that ends in with an even digit, so the number is divisible by 2. But if you add the digits, it gives you 15, and 15 is divisible by 3. A number that will be divisible by 8 is the one that the last 3 digits are divisible by 8. Example, 7,168. It ends in 168. Those 3 digits are divisible by 8. The rule of 9. It says when the sum of the numbers of the digits is divisible by 9. 5,643, the addition of these ones give me 18, and 18 is divisible into 9. Divisible by 10, of course, all the numbers that end in 0. Keep them in mind. All year round, are gonna be useful for us. Okay. The first problem, 369. 369 is not divisible by 2. But if we add the digits, 3 and 6 is 9, and 9 is 18. This number is divisible by 3. It is not divisible by 4, and it's not divisible by 5, but it is divisible by 9. (1,422). This number, it's an even number, so that's why it's going to be divisible by 2. If you add the digits, it gives you a number 9, which is divisible by 3. It is not divisible by 4, but if it's divisible by 2 and 3, it is divisible by 6. It is also divisible by 9 because the addition of the digits gives me 9. 34,100. It is divisible by 2 because it ends in 0. It is divisible by 4 because it ends in 0, 0. Remember the hint I gave you here? And it is divisible by 5 because it ends in 0, and it's divisible by 10 because it ends in 0. So let's see 195. 195, if you add the digits, it gives you 15. So it is divisible by 3. It is divisible by 5 because it ends in 5. And that's it. 5,220. This number, it's an even number, so it's divisible by 2. It is, the addition, it's 9, so it's divisible by 3. It is ending in 20, so it's divisible by 4. It ends in 0, it is divisible by 5. It is divisible by 2 and 3, so it is also divisible by 6. Since the addition was 9, it is divisible by 9, and it is divisible by 10. Good, this one was divisible by all of the numbers. Let's keep on. Okay, 400. 400 ends in 0, so it's an even number. It is not divisible by 3, but since it ends in 0, 0, it's divisible by 4, it's divisible by 5, it's divisible by 10. 765. It's a number that if you add the digits, it gives you 18, so it's divisible by 3. It ends in 5, it is divisible by 5, and it is divisible into 9 because it gives you 18, the sum of the digits. 1320, that is number, it's an even number, so it is divisible by 2. If you add the digits, it gives you 6, so it is divisible by 3. But if it's divisible by 2 and 3, it will be divisible by 6. Now this number going back, it's divisible into 4 because it ends in a number that it's divisible by 4, 20. It is divisible by 5 because it ends in 0, and it is divisible by 10. 894, it's an even number, and 17 and 4 is 21, so this number is divisible by 3, and if it's divisible by 2, and if it's divisible by 3, it is divisible by 6. So let's put a mark here on the 6. Now this number, it's only divisible by those. Yeah, that's it. So 900 is divisible by 2. It's a 9, is divisible by 3. Since it's divisible by 2 and 3, it will be by 6. It ends in 0, 0, so it's divisible by 4. It ends in 0, it's divisible by 5. It is a 9, is divisible by 9. And it ends in 0, it is divisible by 10. So once again, we got another number that is divisible by all of them. Okay? Start with your classwork. Have a great day.